Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I'm going to show you how to skip the cover page number in Microsoft Word, so your actual numbering starts properly on the second page. First, open your Word document. Go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen, click on Page Number, and choose where you want your numbers to appear. For this example, let's select Bottom of Page. Now, you will notice that the cover page is currently numbered as Page 1. To remove it, double-click on the footer area where the page number is located. This will open the header and footer menu at the top of your screen. Look for the option that says Different First Page and check that box. The page number on your cover page will instantly disappear. However, your second page is still labeled as Page 2. To reset this so it starts as Page 1, stay in the footer of your second page, go back up to the page number menu, and click on Format Page Numbers. At the bottom of the window that pops up, find the Start At option, change the number from 1 to 0, and click OK. That's it. Your cover page now has no number, and your second page officially begins as Page 1. If this quick guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.